Jai Sriman.
You know what, Rama? For our birth, father is very, very tiny reason, tiny cause, whereas mother is the main cause. So, your father has gone to where he is supposed to be going. He has gone there. Don't carry all these false relations and start worrying about them. Ho Rama, whatever the pleasures right now existing right in front of you for you to enjoy, come on, go ahead and enjoy all those comforts. Pitrudevatas, and for them giving Shraddham, all these things are nothing but wasting the money, nothing but wasting the food and other things. Otherwise, how would they enjoy when we are putting Shraddham here? Rama, Mrutohi Kim Asishyati. Those who already died, how are they going to enjoy with this Shraddham and everything? How are they going to accept and receive this food? If at all like that, if someone is traveling from our home to different distant place, we should also be doing Shraddham for them. If we put Shraddham here, they should be accepting and enjoying, and their stomachs also should be filling with the food. Is that happening? Are we not seeing that? It is not happening. So also if we put Shraddham here, Pitru Devatas are not going to be enjoying, and there is no such thing at all. Ho Rama, all these Devata Puja, charities, righteousness, yajnas, diksha, everything is absolutely false. There are some smart people, for them to earn some money, they wrote all these scriptures. Don't just ignore them, all of them, and don't worry about them. There is no paralokam, there is no other world. Understand me very well, and then come back, and whatever right now is ready for you to enjoy, start enjoying. Paroksham prushthatah kuru. Whatever is saying that if you do like this in other world you will enjoy, just ignore all those things and keep aside. Come back, Rama. Like this, Jabali is giving a dialogue to, giving a suggestion to Ramachandra Swami, which is totally against our Sanatana Dharma, our Vedic Dharma. After listening from Jabali, Sri Ramachandra Swami is responding back to Jabali, saying that, "Ho Jabali, I have heard all that you said." But Ramachandra Swami did not shake with all that dialogue, what Jabali said. Ramachandra Swami did not change his opinion after listening all that from Jabali, which is completely against our Vedic scriptures. You know why? Because Ramachandra Swami has Paraya Bhaktiya Swabuddhiya cha Avipannaya, because he has so much of Shraddha and Bhakti towards our Vedic scriptures. With that kind of strong mind, stable mind, he completely ignored what Jabali said. And now responding back to Jabali, saying that, "Ho Jabali, whatever that you have said so far, it suddenly gives everyone a feeling that, oh, we should be doing this. But we should not be doing that. That is something should not be done. Akaryam karya sankasam. Feel like doing, but we should not be doing that. And always whatever that you said, people feels like, wow, this is good, sounding very good. It might bring good. But apathyam pathya sammitam. If you do this, it definitely brings so much of harm to you. We should not be doing that. Ho Jabali, whatever the character that you have and you encourage others to have, which is against the Vedic scriptures, all those people who are going against Vedic scriptures are not at all considered, identified, respected by good society. Ho Jabali, Kulinam Akulinam Va, Viram Purushamanam, Charitrameva Vyakhyati. Whatever the character that you have, that is where you are identified only with your character. That character should be in harmony with our Vedic scriptures. Nobody cares which caste you belong to, what status you belong to, but what character you have. That is what people look into. Jabali, if I do what you said, if I do just like what you said, there is nothing that I am going to be able to tell others. I will completely lose my qualification and eligibility to tell anything good to any others. So I will not be any more deserved to say any good things to others if I do what you said. And also I will be completely losing all my sadhana to reach Swargam and all other great worlds if I do what you said now. Jabali, there are some people who are following me. If I start doing what you said, they also will follow me and they also will be doing the same thing like that. We all will be destroyed. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.